The 9900X is AMD's fourth fastest desktop processor on CPU benchmark, and it also received a larger price cut, nearly 27%, after the launch of the 9900X 3D on March 12th. A price reduction of almost a quarter is significant for a CPU near the top performers. This model is popular with anyone looking for high performance without a premium price tag, suitable for various workloads like video editing. It sold at Amazon for $365, down from $499, its lowest price ever. This Zen 5 part, launched in August 2024, features 12 cores, a base speed of 4.4 GHz, 64 MB L3 cache, and a 120-watt TDP. It also boasts the lowest cost per core at just $30.41. The third highest maximum clock speed at 5.6 GHz, and, like all Ryzen CPUs, delivers exceptional value for money. In fact, no AMD processor offers more performance per dollar than the Ryzen 9900X. What's up, guys? Charles here. Many viewers on my channel watch the videos, but many haven't subscribed yet. If you enjoy the content, please consider subscribing to stay updated with all the latest gaming content. While the Ryzen 9950 X3D and Ryzen 9800 X3D are the best gaming CPUs available. Both of those cost well over $400 and are often out of stock. What if you're planning a more budget-conscious PC build? The Ryzen 9600X is a great choice for mid-range gaming and productivity. This 6-core, 12-thread CPU can run at up to 5.4 GHz, and it's currently on sale for its lowest price ever, $223 at Amazon. The Ryzen 9600X also excels in gaming performance, easily running 1080p games with an average frame rate of 163 FPS. This increases further to 175 frames per second. When Precision Boost Overdrive is enabled, these benchmarks were achieved using an RTX 4090 graphics card, so results may vary based on your GPU. However, the key takeaway is that this processor minimizes CPU bottlenecks, allowing your discrete GPU to deliver excellent gaming performance effortlessly. That's it for today's video. Do consider subscribing for all the latest content on gaming, and as always, I'll see you at the next one. Peace out.